So Popflex is the brand by Blogilates. So I thought these would be great for nothing other than line dancing. Is a full circle skirt and it'll give more of that twirl. I don't want to do that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Sewmas, where I'm doing 12 days of holiday DIYs and sewing projects. For today's Sewmas video, I am making a tank top and a skirt inspired by the Popflex. I think it's the I Feel Cute tank and their Twirl Skort. So I've made something from Popflex before, her water bottle bag. If you don't know, it's Blogilates. She was big on YouTube and then she created her own brand. And I've also bought some things from her. And I really like her stuff, and I feel like I've seen some people wear her skirts at line dancing, so I thought that would be a fun Sewmas project because I line dance if I haven't mentioned it before. And I also feel like athleisure is just a fun thing to make and can also be a great gift. So if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me on my social medias, and let's get into it. Okay, in this Sewmas video, I'm going to be making two items from Popflex. So Popflex is the brand by Blogilates, and I have bought from her a few times, and I've also made, I think, at least one other item inspired by her. I don't know if you can see, oh, right there. That water bottle bag I made for Sewmas last year. I also love it so much. I feel like it's great when like I've gone on walks. I went on like walks sometimes this year, and so being able to bring my water, but also have like my wallet, my keys, headphones, just like anything I needed was great. So I'm going to be making two pieces that I feel like are kind of athleisure-esque, which is the I Feel Cute top and the twirl skirt. So I thought these would be great for nothing other than line dancing. um, that's something that I've mentioned before, and I've been doing a decent amount in the past few months. And I feel like the skirt especially would be cute for that. Like I do think that you could work out in these as well, or just wear them as athleisure. Or it's the twirl skort. I don't know if I said skirt or skort. I'm making a skirt, which is also how I would wear it to line dancing. So yeah, I think the top is going to be pretty easy. I'm gonna use the tank top pattern that I use in a lot of my videos, but I copied it over to a different pattern piece for the holiday party shirt. So I'm going to use that, and then there, the shoulder seam kind of comes in more in the front. So I think I'm gonna just cut that out and then cut like that piece, and I'll keep the neckline high and see how that fits because I'm going to have the turtleneck. So yeah, I'm going to start with that and then I will do the skirt. Okay, I cut out the pieces for the top, so now I'm going to sew the shoulder seam and the side seam together, and I will try it on, see how it fits, make any changes as needed, and then I will do the turtleneck. I also will probably do a binding on the arm. I feel like that'll match the turtleneck as well. Like I don't love doing that, but I do feel like that probably be best. Okay, I sewed the shirt, so there's this little bit of gappiness here. So I think I'm just gonna try taking in just a little bit here to see if that can close that. And I'm also gonna take the neck down like an inch or two, probably like an inch because it's just really high up, and I'm gonna have the turtleneck. And then after I take this in, I will bring the front of this in a little bit more. And then I will also probably take the back in, like the back shoulder armhole in a little bit because it's also a little wide. So yeah. Okay, I have the front and the back pieces sewed together. So I measured the armhole and the neck hole, and so I'm going to do the turtleneck and the arm binding. So for the turtleneck, I'm probably just gonna cut a piece that is the length of the neck hole in about 4.5 inches, so it'll be 2 inches roughly, and then I will just sew the right sides together. For the arm binding, I will cut a piece that's a little more than an inch, so um, to the wrong side. I think it's the right side to the wrong side. I'm not for sure. I think it's the right side to the wrong side. And then after I sew that on, I will flip it and fold it under on the right side and sew that down. Okay, I finished the top and I'm gonna start the skirt. Originally, I thought it was a half circle skirt, or I was gonna do a half circle skirt, but looking at theirs a little bit more, I think it is a full circle skirt and it'll give more of that twirl. I don't want to do that. I also don't know. I'll have to see how much fabric I have because I got like a decent amount, but I don't know if I got enough to do a full circle skirt and a pair of shorts and a waistband. So no, the waistband won't be that much, but I figured I should just throw it in as well. So yeah, I'm gonna draft the pattern for the circle skirt, and the way that I'm gonna do the full is I'm just gonna do two halves and sew it together, not cut out a full one. I know that like Mood's circle skirt calculator tells you to do that. I'm not doing that. And then for the shorts, I'm going to use the shorts pattern that I used for the Cowboy Carter outfit, and I think I'm going to extend them up like 2 inches just to make sure that they're long enough and like will, yeah, I just want them to actually fit. And then I'm going to extend them out like an inch at the side because they were a little fitted. This fabric is really stretchy, so I think it should be fine, but I just want to do that just in case. So I'm going to draft the circle skirt pattern and then I'm going to cut out the pieces. Okay, so I sewed the shorts and the skirt. The shorts are, I forgot when I made this, I wrote pattern notes to myself and I said that they were really fitted and that you'd need darts in the back to like for to hold up better, and then I extended them so the back falls down. But I think when I connect it to the skirt and the waistband, it'll be fine, so I'm not worried. Also, because you're not going to see the shorts, or at least not much, but they are a little big at the bottom and they're also a little long, so I'm going to cut them about 3 inches and see if that is high enough for them to not be fitted, and if so, then I'll probably take them in a little bit on the side, like the outer seam, and then after I do that, I will do a stitch to connect the skirt and the shorts, and then I will connect the waistband and do an elastic. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias. I loved how this turned out. I think it's so cute, and I feel like the spinning will be great for line dancing, so I can't wait to wear it there. If you made it this far, comment down below what your favorite type of athleisure is, and stay tuned for the rest of Sewmas. Until next time, bye guys.